The AMA will start shortly. We're just getting everyone ready backstage.
Alex, can you hear me?
Okay, we're live. You should be able to hear us, everybody. Give us a little wave. Show us your emojis to let us know that you can. Hi, guys. I'm just going to turn my hologram on so that those of you at the back can see me too. Look, hi, everyone. First off, thanks for being here. Honestly, it really means a lot. My name's Paddy. I'm the CMO and co-founder of Bloktopia, and today I'm really proud to introduce something that's been a huge part of my life for the past few years, Bloktopia, which, as you all know, it's a metaverse we built to bring people together. So whether you're into blockchain technology, meeting new people from all corners of the world, which I can see lots of different flags out there, so I know that there are people from all over. Whether you're into exploring new ideas, creativity, it's designed to be a space where anyone can connect, learn, create, and grow. And it's about building something meaningful. So this is a place that will evolve with its community. You know, we're always open to your ideas. Whatever you think can enrich in this experience, we're all ears and we want to hear it. It's been a lot of work to get to this point. This is our MVP, and we're genuinely excited to see what we can do together from here. So you're currently in Metaspaces, which is our auditorium area. You can use the elevator to your right. I think a few of you have already been exploring, but there's a number of different levels ranging from what's kind of our bread and butter, the crypto level, through to things like sports, food, fashion, tech, and many more. And I can't wait for you guys to explore everything so that you can share with us your thoughts. But before you do that, we're marking the public launch of our MVP today by hosting our very first AMA in the Metaverse. Here in Metaspaces, and I'm delighted to say that joining us is Sasha from 1inch Network, an incredible platform revolutionizing the DeFi space. Sasha, welcome to Bloktopia's Metaverse.
Hello, everyone. Thank you, Patty. Huge congratulations to the Bloktopia team on the launch of the MVP. It's truly exciting, actually, to be part of this milestone event. And yeah, to see how the Metaverse is reshaping the way how we connect, collaborate, and innovate the Web3 space. And I'm really thrilled to represent 1inch here. So thanks a lot.
Brilliant. Thank you, Sasha, and welcome. So for anyone who's new to 1inch, can you give us a bit of an overview of what the 1inch network is all about and what sets you apart in the DeFi ecosystem?
Yeah, absolutely. So basically 1inch is it's a decentralized exchange aggregator that helps users to find the best trading rates across different DEXs. And our main mission is to provide efficiency and transparency to DeFi trading by splitting orders among multiple protocols to minimize slippage and fees. But a part of our main product, which is DEX aggregator, we also have different tools to help users to onboard into DeFi space, which is a mobile wallet. And recently we've announced our cross-chain solution, which is based on Swap. It's a Fusion Plus, so now we improved our user experience even more. So you can basically trade on mobile wallet cross-chain right now. So basically this is high-level overview on what 1inch is doing, and go and try it now.
Excellent. Yeah, I'm an avid user, so I know 1inch very well. It would be good, obviously, I know the background to this, but just to share to our community, it'd be good if you could share a little bit more about the partnership between Bloktopia and 1inch, so how the collaboration came about, and really what excites you about having 1inch represented in the metaverse.
Yeah, for sure. So our collaboration is built on basically, I believe, shared vision to bring innovation and accessibility to crypto community. And I believe that the metaverse represents an incredible opportunity for DeFi projects like 1inch to connect with users in a new immersive way. And basically, what excites me is the ability to bring DeFi tools and education directly into Bloktopia virtual world. So I believe it even make more easier for people to interact with our ecosystem in intuitive and engaging way. Yeah, this is and it looks very promising. This is my vision. Maybe
Yeah.
Patty, you want to also add something on your side?
Absolutely. I mean, we've got a HQ here on the crypto level, so everyone that goes into Bloktopia down to the crypto level or up, depending on your perception, you'll be able to get to enter the 1inch store, and there's lots of content that you can experience in there. So in terms of how we envisage this space moving forward as a hub for the 1inch community and for DeFi enthusiasts, Sasha, what's your general feel on the integration of that content? I know one of the key features we use is the swap integration, right? So that's where people can come in, they can connect up their MetaPass, and they can actually swap tokens live in the metaverse. So that's a feature that we've integrated here as well.
Well, yeah. So the 1inch virtual HQ is basically designed to be interactive hub for users where they can learn about DeFi and experience our tools first basically hand. And a part of for the swaps, I believe we are finalizing the integration and it will be live soon. No, or it's already existing. I just missed this. But correct me if I'm wrong.
No, you're right. We've had some really successful tests with it, and it's something that we have in some kind of big news, which is coming up soon in terms of staking and swaps that we're going to be releasing that beyond today. So yeah, really exciting stuff. I think being able to come into Bloktopia, swap a number of tokens into different tokens, whether that be from Block, USDT, and lots of other supported tokens too, and then being able to stake those all in kind of one ATM experience is amazing, and that's 1inch kind of powering that in the background. So blockchain technology right into the metaverse.
Sure, and the cool thing is that while the integration will be finalized, visitors can now access educational content, tutorials, and basically learn more about the community events, while exploring this integration. So I'm really, can't wait until it will be finalized. As together with this cross-chain improvements, it really can can be the game changer, I hope.
Yeah, and in terms of that, in terms of, I guess, breaking barriers in the metaverse, today's not just about opening the doors. We want the metaverse to transform the way that DeFi platforms like 1inch engage with users and build communities. And this is the starting point to that, right?
Yeah, so that's absolutely. So the metaverse allows us to connect with users in more personal and immersive way, I believe. And it's not just about the trading or financial tools. It's about basically fostering community and engagement through the shared experience. That's what I believe. And platforms like you guys, Bloktopia, provide a dynamic environment for the not only educating, doing some trading, It's also like hosting live events, I believe, like we're doing right now. It's also about the building brand layer, and I believe it's very critical for the next wave of DeFi adoption. So already growing a lot in terms of the onboarding of Web2 users into Web3, and mass adoption is just around the corner. So, and once it happens, so this is the way how people all the globe can share their experiences and learn together and trade and get get rich. It's not financial advice.
Yeah, not financial advice, but yeah, we all take the point. Thanks, Sasha. So I suppose shifting gears a little, we'd love your thoughts on the current state of the DeFi market. What trends or developments are you most excited about, and how's 1inch positioned to lead in this space?
Yes, so I can mention about our improvements, and basically a 1inch team is always focusing on the innovation first and bringing the most fruitful user experience together with the best rates. And like I will touch, I'm touching a little bit of history. So people start trading P2P at first. There was some basically P2P exchanges. Then the DEX happens. So after people start to use DEX aggregator like 1inch to improve their user experience, so they don't need to go for each DEX to check the pricing. And then we ended up with a new solution called Fusion, where users can trade and they can be sure that they are protected from sandwich attacks with the MEV protection, and with also, and this user experience is gasless. And now all teams are basically thinking on how we can improve the user experience even more. And there was a talks from Vitalik about how we can basically do this chain abstraction wallets with the cross-chain swap experience in it, and basically provide these solutions for the users where they don't even have to think on what's happening under the hood, but it will be still very secure and decentralized and self-custody. And basically that's why we ended up with the Fusion Plus, and the Fusion Plus is a basically self-custody cross-chain solution based on atomic swap intent base, and it covers all the main features, which is self-custody, MEV protection, gasless, and right now on only for EVM chains, but for the next upcoming improvements, I think not only for us, but basically for most of the teams, we will see more interactions with L1s like Bitcoin, Solana, basically other chains like Ton. So this will be the improvements. And another improvement for the DeFi, I believe there was a big trend for the Telegram and the Ton ecosystem, where they basically use this Telegram distribution channel with 950 million users to basically onboard users to DeFi and Ton ecosystem. And I believe it will happen even more now. Kaya announced that they are collaborating with Line and with Kakao Talk to use also implement the messaging. So maybe some kind of collaboration between Web2 solutions, messengers, maybe Web2 proper games, together with improved user experience of DeFi, can really show us some tractions in the future.
Excellent. That's really cool stuff. Thank you, Sasha. I think there's quite a few messages going into the global chat. What I might do is open up some questions. So we have a button that will pop up on your screen soon, guys, where I'm going to allow you to ask a question. So you should be able to see that now on your screens, and you should be able to type in and ask a question. We'll pick a few. I will ask them to Sasha, and we will go from there. So these are questions for Sasha. If they're Bloktopia specific, I'll try and pick one or two out. But if there are questions for Sasha whilst we have her, that would be great.
Thanks. Meanwhile, maybe you can also share, Patty, your basically plans for the future? Do you already pick the events that you're going to attend, or maybe we're gonna attend here in the metaverse for the next year?
Yeah, so big thing for us, Sasha, at the moment is I guess bringing content in. We've got a few more talks. We've got one which we're lining up with Dex Tools and with all of our partners. We're aiming to bring them in here to talk to our community. But a big thing for us is also a game called Blockbuster that we have. So it's a quiz game, and you should come and join in when you get the opportunity. It's it's a lot that there are lots of themes and themed levels within Bloktopia, and that's what the questions are based around. And so we have a few rounds. We ask a few quick fire questions. Everyone who participates gets something called our Block N token, which can be used to purchase land within Bloktopia. And so every time we run Blockbuster as a game, basically we're giving out Block N tokens to every participant. When they then buy the land for reblock, every token used by land for reblock burns block. So there's like a deflationary mechanic that we have in there, which constantly means that the more people we have playing our games or the game in block, the more that we burn. And so we're trying to drive up those user numbers, and we're going to be doing that at the same time as burning the supply of blocks. So that's something we're quite excited about. We're going to be running that later today. The Metaverse is going to be open 24/7. We're constantly working on it in the background. We're taking real-time feedback and data and continuing to work on the features which are guided largely on our roadmap by our community. So we've got quite a few questions.
Sounds very exciting. Thank you.
Thank you. We've got quite a few questions in, Sasha. Let me just have a flick through them. A lot of them seem like questions for me, but let me try and get a few off. So I'll touch a little bit more on the ATM. The ATM's powered by 1inch. So the token swap part is powered by 1inch. It's gone through successful testing. The way that our technology works is we have a wallet, which might be the MetaMask wallet, for example. You hook it up to the ATM, you connect your wallet, and then you're taken to basically a user interface where you're allowed to either stake or swap tokens. And the 1inch part is the token swap. All the functionality's been tested, works really well. I'm sure there's a lot of people that have helped us with testing in here today that can kind of testify to that, and ultimately that will be live in the Bloktopia store initially for staking pools at some point, probably next week. We're just we've put a third web update in at the moment, and we're just waiting for a final test to clarify that update, and then we'll be pushing that live with some staking pools for people to use block, and they can also use the token swap at that point as well. So that sort of covers off the ATM. I've got some questions here just on reblock, which is the land that I talked about earlier, Sasha. So reblock is their NFTs. Each store is built on 100 reblock. The reblocks can be purchased. We don't have any for sale at the moment because we sold out, but we are putting a next phase up for sale imminently. You can purchase reblock with Block N and Block. We've refreshed all of them recently. Everybody who purchased reblock in stores that have gone live today have got a new reblock that's in their wallet. We've sent all of those out, and you are effectively earning. If you're here now, you have automatically qualified to earn rewards. So you're earning rewards from this moment now. So they will be paid out quarterly. So I think we've got a date of something around the 11th of March for that first entertainment. If you have a friend who's got Reblock who hasn't come in yet, they've got until March to be able to come in and activate it, so there's no problem there. Right, I do have a question here for you, Sasha, from Cantonar. And Cantonar says, what's Sasha's specialist quiz subject?
Sorry, can you repeat it, please, again?
Yeah, the question from Cantonar is, what is Sasha's specialist quiz subject?
Meaning that what I'm doing in crypto, or like basically what is my responsibility from 1inch, right? This was the question.
It's just if you were at a quiz, maybe just a friendly pub quiz or a quiz at work. What's your expertise? What would you do as subject? So it could be crypto, or it could be sport, or it could be anything really. What's your sort of specialist area of knowledge, would you say?
Okay. Basically, crypto is my specialist knowledge.
Yeah.
I can only talk about the crypto for the last couple of years, like since 2016. Yeah, ask me something about crypto.
That makes a lot of sense. And that's probably the answer I expected you to have as well. Okay. And just flicking through the questions, so I think yeah, there's a lot of Bloktopia related questions, but there is one here that I can adapt. Do you guys at 1inch have any plans around AI at all, Sasha?
AI. Maybe not directly on 1inch, but basically we collaborating with like not directly, but we launched the accelerator for the Telegram system, where we basically amplifying Telegram mini apps and adding 1inch APIs inside of the trading bots. And basically AI could be your kind of advisor on trading or something like that. This is where basically 1inch can partially touch the AI. And for now, we just focusing basically on something where we feel more expert and expertise. So basically it's our DeFi innovations, and we will keep doing this direction. So no AI, at least for the next year. We have a lot of plans to expand to different chains and improve our solution. So yeah, but yeah, I believe it's some cool solution. I mean, AI can improve our life and make our lives easier, but I believe that on the experts teams who has this expertise has to bring these tools to the market, not us who are only experts in DeFi.
Absolutely, and let's see where that takes us. Obviously, in the 1inch store at the moment, there are AI bots that will give general FAQ answers around 1inch, and then obviously the token swap that is there as well. So you can imagine that process all becoming a lot smoother over time.
Yeah, we already actually use this tooling in our help center. So basically, there is a person who talking to you, and it's AI. But it's not developed by us. It's basically we're using third-party solutions for that.
Really cool. Okay. Right. Well, look, Sasha, thank you so much for joining us today and for being part of what's a pretty big and historic moment for Bloktopia. The launch of your HQ is a bit of a testament to the possibilities that the Metaverse holds, really, for DeFi and beyond. So thank you to everyone for joining this AMA. Please make sure you go down to the crypto level and check out the 1inch HQ, and feel free to explore the rest of the Bloktopia MVP. We're not closing. This isn't a timed event. It's now open 24/7. So we'd love to get your feedback.
Yeah, thank you, Patty, and thanks Bloktopia community for having me. Thanks, guys, for coming here and listening. Thanks for your questions. And this is just the beginning of the incredible journey, I believe, and I can't wait to see how we grow together. And yeah, hope to see you in the Metaverse soon.
Thank you, Sasha. Thanks, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Swaps. The 1-inch wallet enables you to swap cryptocurrency with maximum efficiency in just a few clicks. It gives you access to the deepest liquidity and the best token swap rates across various DXs. How do you swap crypto? Open the 1-inch D app and go to the Swaps section. Choose a wallet and a cryptocurrency you wish to swap. For example, you want to swap ETH for 1-inch tokens. You can customize slippage tolerance, gas price, and select liquidity sources. Click Swap, check and confirm transaction, and you're all set.
We hope
You
all
can find
enjoyed the
details
AMA
about the swap
Metaspaces
transaction
just now.
and other.
Don't forget, there will be a game of Blockbuster at 3 p.m. UTC. See you then.
How 1-inch offers the best rates. In the 1-inch DApp, you can choose between two swap modes, Fusion and Legacy. Legacy mode requires users to pay gas fees for swaps in the target chain's native token. 1-inch's Fusion mode allows anyone to swap tokens on DEXs at the most favorable rates, often above the market. It also provides native front-running protection. Fusion mode. 1-inch's latest introduction, Fusion mode, is designed in such a way that each order is filled within a specific price range, from high to low, incentivizing resolvers to compete for orders. If you want to set specific parameters, like auction time or a chance to get a better rate, you can open the Fusion Settings tab and choose either the Fair or Fast preset. The Auto preset automatically gives you the most optimal parameters. DEX aggregation. As a decentralized exchange, DEX aggregator, 1-inch finds the best crypto rates across multiple DEXs. 1-inch's algorithm splits swap orders among several DEXs, minimizing price impact on swapping large amounts and offering the best rates. Pathfinder. 1-inch's Pathfinder, an API containing a discovery and routing algorithm, finds the best possible paths for a token swap, splitting it across several DEXs and different market depths of the same exchange. Apart from splitting orders, Pathfinder can make sequential swaps that come in handy when exchanging rare tokens with little or no liquidity. As a result, users get better rates than those offered by any single exchange. Swap tokens on 1inch at the best rates in the market. How 1inch offers the best rates?
What is 1inch's fusion mode?